Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn about the switch statement in the C programming language. So first of all, like my video, subscribe to my channel and let's start our video. Now what is the switch case statement in the C programming language? First of all, the switch case statement is a control statement used to perform different actions based on the value of a variable. It works with an integer and a character and not with a float number or a string. A switch statement lets you choose between two multiple options based on the value of the variable. It's like a menu. You pick one item and it gives you the result. This is how the switch case work in the C programming language. Let's see the syntax. Let's start with switch. Here we have an expression. The expression can be, for example, x is greater than 10. I don't know. Now open the braces. Case 1, case 2, for case n. Let's start with case 1 or case value 1. Here we write a block of code. I don't know what. And finally, break. Break. This is the first case. Second case, case 2, value 2. Also, block of code and break. And go to case value n. Also block of code and break. And finally, default. Here we have the code to be executed if the case matches. Go to execute if no case matches. This is the syntax of the switch case statement. Let's make a small example using or let's write a C program using the switch case statement. Let's start with hashtag include studio.h. integer main. Here, this is a menu. I need to make a menu using the C programming language. Integer choice. I need to tell I will tell the user to give me a choice. For example, printf enter your choice from 1 to 3, for example. Scanf %d and choice. Now let's use the switch case statement. Switch. The expression here is choice. Now case 1, printf you choose option 1. And break. Now case 2, Also printf, you choose option 2. Also break. Case 3, printf, you choose option 3. Also break, and finally default, printf, invalid choice. Now let's run the code to see the result. Enter your choice, for example 2, you choose option 2. For example 4, invalid choice. Now if I deleted the break here and here and here, look what happens in my program. For example, choose a number 1. He print me the 3 lines, number 1, option 2, option 3, and the invalid choice. That's why we use the break in the switch case. The break is a special statement used inside a switch to stop the execution once a case is matched. For example, choose a number 2, print me option 2, option 3, and the invalid choice. That's why we use break here in the end of the case. And finally, break. Now let's make another example using character, not in an integer and the numbers. I will make a C program using a character. For example, char grade equal to B. I will use here the switch case statement, to put a grade. I'm sorry, here don't have semicolon. Now the first case is case A. Printf A, it's mean excellent. Also break. Case B, it's mean well done. Printf well done. Also break. Case C, printf good. Also break. And finally default, printf invalid great. Let's run the code now. He print for me well done. Why? Because here I choose B. If I deleted here B, invalid grade. For example, grade equal to A, for example, it's excellent. So guys, today we learned how the switch statement works in the C, when to use it, and how to avoid common mistakes. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more video like this. Thank you for watching, and I see you later.